Hey guys, I'm Krista from DAVEYANDKRISTA, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recreate the BDOW pop-up that I made for our website that quickly made us $10,000. All right, so this is the pop-up that we used on our site, and the way that it works is that we created it in BDOW, we connected it to our WooCommerce account on our website through a BDOW plugin. It's just a free WordPress plugin, and then I made this pop-up, and it works in that you enter your email address, and then the user gets a one-time coupon code that is unique for them, and they can use it on their website. I really love that BDOW allows you to get super specific with the customizations for who you're targeting. So we set this form up so that it only targeted new users who hadn't subscribed before, and if somebody had already seen the pop-up, they didn't see it for quite some time, just because we didn't want it to be annoying and we didn't want people who were already on our list or already subscribers to get that discount code because the hope is always that they will pay full price and that they don't need the discount code in order to sign up. So I'm going to teach you how to set this up for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to make a few assumptions here before I really teach you how to do this. First, you need a BDOW account. If you have not signed up for BDOW yet, you can go to BDOW.com and use the code DAVEYANDKRISTA to save 50% on your first year. You also need to have the BDOW code installed on your website. I can link to a tutorial down below. And if you're using WooCommerce, you need to have that BDOW plugin installed on your site in order to have it connect with WooCommerce. But once you've done those three things, we can come in and we can select create a new campaign. I'm going to keep the goal as collect emails. I'm going to leave the form type as pop-up, although I think that a scroll box could also be kind of fun here. But I'm going to switch the design from the default to this one right here. I'm going to select this box and I'm going to change the color because I don't love this like green color. It's not really on brand for me. And I could put in a hex code if I had one, but I can also just make it like a black color. So from here, I can customize these sections if I need to add more questions. I could change this from waitlist to like save 20%, and then I could move this down. I'm going to move this one up, and let's change this to say like saving money, we do too. And then I think I'm going to make this a smaller bit of text, so let's make it 23. How about 18? And I can give them a prompt right here. So enter your email address below to get your discount code. We can keep it simple. I could also change the fonts if I want. I could add images. There's a lot that we can do. The second thing that I need to do is come over to this success option. And this is where I do the second version of this. And so this is where I'm actually going to make the coupon code. So I'm going to make it exactly the same size as the other one. So this box right here is 840 by 590. So I'm going to come back here and make this 840 by 590. Nope, not 1000. By 590. I'm going to make it the same color. So this fill color is perfectly black. So I'll click on this one and make my fill color black. I'm going to move this little X up here. I'm going to click over here and see exactly what size this is. So that X is 30 by 30. So I can click on this X and make it 30 by 30. I can style this button. So we can make that smaller. We can change it to be a link to our shop. So I can put in my URL here, krista.com/shop. And we can take it to, we can change this text to say shop the sites. I could also change the color if I wanted to and change the fonts. I'm going to change this to be a different color so we can actually see it. Let's make this font color white. We can give it a different font. So let's make this Playfair Display. And BDOW has like quite a few Google fonts in here. So we do Playfair Display Normal. And then I don't need that code. I'm going to get rid of that. The next thing I'm going to do is add a discount code. So this is where I would add my code, and this is where it's going to appear. So this one is going to be a discount code. I'm going to give it a white background with black text so it stands out. And then I can come in here and I can click on assign discount. And so if I have discount codes already made, I could do that, or I could create a new one that's like, we'll just call it test 25. Well, actually made it 20. Percentage, 20% off. And you can give it dates or some requirements. And then down here is where you'll see like the format that it's gonna have for each unique code. So I'll hit save. And then I can select it. And now it's gonna be assigned to this pop-up and it will automatically show when somebody subscribes. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do for like the styling, but you could do a lot more if you want to. We can adjust the visibility and change how it shows to people. So we can set this up to show if somebody hasn't seen it for a month. Let's see, we can make it timed where they see it 5 seconds after they come onto the site. You can add more display rules about which URLs on your site it shows up on and which one it does not. You can change whether it's hidden for people who have already opted in or people who have already subscribed. There's a lot that you can do. You can also adjust what happens after someone subscribes. So if they need to go into a specific mail sequence, if it goes to a different URL, if your subscribers get added to a group. And a lot of this can be done by connecting it to a third-party email service. So ours is connected to, you can see we're connected to WooCommerce. If yours wasn't connected to WooCommerce yet, I think that this would show up right here. And then ours is also connected to ConvertKit, but there are a lot of different platforms that you can connect. There are a lot of different platforms that you can connect it to, like Flowdesk. And then once you hit publish on this, it's automatically going to start showing up on your site and hopefully generating more leads for your business as well as more sales. If you guys have any questions about installing this BDOW pop-up on your site and integrating it with WooCommerce, drop them in the comments below. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos from us, make sure that you hit like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.